Hey guys, this is like the fourth time I'm recording this. I've lost my voice, but I'm trying to condense this video into as short as possible so that you don't have to watch a long ass video to understand the point I'm trying to say. But this video is for potential SPD students who are still trying to find out more information about SPD, strategic product design, and TUDelft. So this is a master's program, and just for a bit of context, I worked 3 years in a real estate company as a experienced designer in a strategic innovation team after my bachelor's in industrial design in Singapore, and so now I'm doing my master's in TU Delft. I think like today marks the second week of school, and having spoken to my peers who've had working experience as well, we all felt that if you are a fresh grad and you are considering to do the SPD program, we would highly recommend you to either have a bit of working experience or do an internship in a large organization. So at least then you can understand how organizations work and function and think, and you would be able to see the different business unit, the different functions of an organization. And so that at least you understand like the business value of design rather than just the aesthetics or forms over function part of design, because that's something that is really quite different from what you would probably learn in your bachelor's. The reason why we think that it's important for you to have a bit of working experience before coming to this program is because whatever theories, framework, approach that you learn in class, there's no way for you to validate or prototype or test out, except maybe during your internship in the third semester. But then that will mean that you have one whole year of uncertainty of like not being sure what's going on in class. I mean, sure, you can be a sponge and absorb information, but because for us, we've had working experience, the theories, the framework that's been taught in class, we can mentally prototype it or test it in our head based off the previous organization we were in, and we're able to kind of know whether or not things that were taught would work or not work in our organization, and thus be able to have more fruitful and engaged conversations, so that it's a two-way communication rather than just a teacher giving us information. So because of that, we felt that we were very lucky to have had working experience prior to joining this master's program. So I think if you're a fresh grad and you're considering doing SPD straight away, sure, you may do that, but it would be a lot more meaningful if you have some working experience and you understand how organizations work, so that you are able to really mentally test out the concepts that are being taught in class. So yeah, this is my thought 2 weeks into the master's program. It might change along the way, so if it changes, I'll make another video to update.